Hello, and today we'll be checking out the WooCommerce Velocity theme that has been created by Webkul itself. So basically, it's built and comes bundled with most of the advanced features available in most popular e-commerce websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Walmart, Snapdeal, Alibaba, and AliExpress. So the Velocity theme is a robust, flexible WordPress WooCommerce theme designed by Webkul to help you make most of out of its uh, WooCommerce that basically powers up your online web store. And the design is well suited for electronic stores, vendor-based marketplaces, affiliate websites, and much more. So I'll just be taking you through the storefront first. As you can see right now, I'm at the Velocity theme, and I'm at the web store front end right now. So I'll be showing you the different options that we have within this particular Velocity theme, and how the customers can register themselves, how they can place the orders, and thereafter I'll also be showing you the rest of the configuration settings in the next video of this part 1 front end video. So before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up. So first of all, I'll be showing you how the web store customers would be able to register themselves. So right now you can see that I am at the web store front end having the Velocity theme being incorporated. Now the customers can register themselves by navigating to the top right hand corner to the welcome guest section, and from here they'll be able to sign into their account, or they'll be able to sign up as well. So let's see how we can sign up within the web store using the Velocity theme itself. So after tapping that up, you can see that we have this particular section wherein you can register yourself, or you can tap here on the login button to log into your web store account. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be just registering one customer first, and then we'll be checking the rest of the flow of the same. So here I'll be entering my email address, and I'll be setting up my password for the same. And this is the registration part. And after entering the details here, if you're already a customer, then you need to enter your details here and tap here on the login button to directly log in. Otherwise, enter your email address, your password for your new account, and tap here in the register button thereafter. So now you can see that the account has been created. On the left hand side, I have the customer name, his email address, and we have the account options for the web store itself on the side hand panel, as you can see. And here we have the dashboard, order section, downloads, addresses, account details, my favorite sellers, my wish list, and the option to log out from the account there using the Velocity theme itself. And on the top right hand corner, you can see that we have right now logged into the customer account. Our cart is there's no product within the cart. So let me go ahead and let me go to the addresses section, and I'll be setting up my details here, and accordingly we'll be saying our address as well. And to set up your address, you'll have to enter your first name, last name, your country, region, your street address, town, state, zip code, and tap here on the save address button. Now let's go to the shop page of the WooCommerce store, and here you can see the products being listed on the shop page. Now let me add a few products into the cart, and then we'll make a checkout. So let's tap here on the album and on the beanie. So after adding, we can tap here on the view cart button to directly navigate to the cart, and on the top right hand corner you can see both of the products being added to the cart itself. To view the cart, you can tap here on the view cart button as well. Otherwise, to make a checkout, just tap here on the checkout button. Now you also have this quick way option here for using this particular Velocity theme. So if I hover my mouse or any of the products there, then we have a quick way option. So if I tap on that, the customer can see the details of the product within a pop-up, and can also maximize the image there, or can zoom it in by hovering the mouse to check the details of the product itself. So we've added these two products to the cart. Now let's tap here in the checkout button, And right now you can see that we're at the checkout. On the right hand side we have the order details, 2 products, subtotal, the shipping that is applicable, the text, the payment methods are visible here as you can see. On the left hand side, let me choose my details for my account, and thereafter I'll be choosing my mode of payment and then tap here on the place order button. So that's how the Velocity theme totally changes the user interface there for the customers. And you can see that the order has been received with the order number, the payment method, the date, the email address, the total, and you can see that we have pay with cash upon delivery option. Here is the billing address and the shipping address of the customer itself. Now to check the details of the order, the customer can go to the top right hand corner, and here he can go to the orders section, and that will bring up the complete list of orders that this particular customer has placed. To view the details, just tap here in the view under the actions column. Here you'll see the order details for the order that the customer has placed. So that was about the orders. And coming to the dashboard here, if I go to the dashboard, there's nothing up in the dashboard right now, but from the dashboard basically you can view your recent orders, you can manage your shipping and billing addresses, you can edit your password and your account details as well. Under the downloads, you'll have your downloadable products. So upon purchase any downloadable product, so it would display no downloads available yet. And under the addresses, you can set up your address and the shipping details. Under the account details, the customer can edit his account details as well, as you can see. Under the my favorite seller, here the customers can find the complete list of sellers within the marketplace who have been made as favorite by this particular customer. Now this particular Velocity theme supports the WordPress WooCommerce as well, and the WooCommerce multimedia marketplace by Webkul as well. So this is available for the marketplace vendors as well. So in the coming videos, I'll be showing you the marketplace end as well. And this particular theme is totally responsive and mobile friendly as well. So these were the options that the customers get. And for example, to log out, you can just tap here in the log out button or the link that you have, and you can see that we have been logged out of the customer account. Now coming to the categories here, you can see on the left hand side at the let me go to the shop page. So here's the shop page. Here we have the different categories, as you can see. On the left hand side we have the shop by category. So here we have all of the categories being listed on the left hand side. We also have this big menu here, as you see on the different websites like the Alibaba, AliExpress as well. And this is called as the mega menu, and from here the customers can just navigate to different categories that have been created and the different subcategory or the childs under that as well. Now on the shop page you can see the complete list of products being displayed, and these can be sorted as well, and you can also change the view from grid to list view as well. So this is the list view right now. We can change that by tapping here on this particular icon that you can see to make it a grid view. From here you can manage the pages to navigate to any of them. To go to the next, you can tap here in the next arrow on the right hand side. And coming down here you can see that we have different social network icons as well, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and the other ones, the Pinterest as well. And at the bottom, if you see, you have the top brands. So for mobile camera, we have created different brands with the links there. So in the configuration settings of this particular Velocity theme, I'll be showing you how we can set up the mega menu, the layout, how we can set up the banners as well. Now if I go back to the home page by tapping here on the Velocity icon that you can see, so from here the customers can tap on the all categories to display the complete list of categories within the store, and then they can enter the name of the products here to search the products. Now this is a banner that you can see at the top of the Velocity theme. We can just tap here in the next to check the rest of the banners there. Coming down, then we have the popular products within the store. So here you can see the popular products along with the sale is also visible to the customers. Thereafter you can see these sections here that have been created, And then you have the other sections like the plant section. You have the categories, category icons here to access different categories directly from here. You also have the accessories section. Then we have more banners. Then we have the hot collection, and then we have the men's collection, women collection, kids collection, and the plants collection. And accordingly, different product headings out there for the same. Then we also have these customer reviews being visible on the home page, as you can see. And here you have the hot category, and according to the hot categories we have the different subtitles of the same as well. So that's the main homepage of the Velocity theme, as you can see right now. Now if I scroll down on the home page to the end here within the footer, here you can see the about content for the web store itself. The rest of the links are also visible, like the order and returns, payment policy, shipping policy, privacy and the cooking policy, and the rest as well. Apart from that, you can also see the payment methods that are available within the store itself, and the shipping methods that are available as well within this section here for the about us for the web store itself. Now let's go to the top. For example, if I want to scroll to the music section under the men's collection, I can directly go to the music by tapping here on that particular link, and that will bring up that particular category to the customer, and then he can basically filter out the products according to that. They can also filter the products according to the price bar that you can see here. So you'll have to choose your price range, tap filter, and according to that the products would get displayed. So you can see $0 to $10 I've set it as, and here we have all the products having the range within $0 to $10. Now we also have the copyright section here. If I go completely down at the end of this page, you can see here we have the section for the copyright of the same, so you can set that up as well. And the admin has the option to update the color and the UI of this particular Velocity theme as well. So here within these social networks, if I go to Facebook, it's a Facebook page for the web store. Same goes with the Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and the Pinterest as well. So the background color can also be changed here for this particular section that we have. And tapping on any of the links for the social networks that the web store admin has added, the customers can navigate to them by tapping on any of the icons there for the social network. So here's for the Facebook, this is for the Twitter. Now let's go back to the Velocity home page here for the theme itself for our web store. So this works for the WordPress WooCommerce as well as for the WooCommerce multimedia marketplace by Webkul, as I've already told you. So we saw how we can register here and how we can sign in and how we can sign up as a customer by navigating to this particular section. And from here you can enter your email address and password to register. Just tap here register, otherwise enter your details and tap here on the login button to log into your customer account. So I'll just show you the rest of the ad blocks that the admin can add on the home page. So here you can see that we have different ad blocks that can be checked by the customers by tapping on any of the banner images with that particular one, and according to that the products would then be displayed to the customers at the storefront itself. And now coming down on the home page itself, here you can see the different categories and the featured categories along with the images for the categories that have been set up by the web store admin. And after setting them up, according to that, the categories and the featured category images are visible to the customers as well. And from here as well, they can navigate to any of the respective featured categories as required. And if I scroll down, we also have some custom categories. The hot category that you can see, this can be set up by the admin from the Velocity theme configuration settings, from where the admin can create custom categories and can assign them to be displayed here, as you can see right now. So this feature is also there within this particular Velocity theme. Also, depending upon the feature list that the admin has set up from the backend, that particular feature list would be visible here to the customers as well. So if we go back to the top here, These are the banners, popular products here. Uh, Here are the section like this one, the featured one, or what we say as the feature list. That particular feature list that have been set up by the admin is visible here to the customers as well. Like we have the free shipping on $100 or more. Product replaced and return is available as well. The admin also approves of the product exchange and the email available options as well. So that was about the main front page and the rest of the sections that we have here. Now let's see if a marketplace vendor logs into his account, what different options does he get and how does it appear to the marketplace vendor. So for that, I'll just go to this section and tap here on the sign in button. Now I've already entered my window username password. Let's tap here on the login button. And as soon as we log in, you can see that here we have the dashboard of the marketplace vendor. And here on the dashboard, you can see the lifetime sales, total payout that has been made, the remaining amount that is there. Any refunds that have been done are also being displayed right now. There's nothing because this is just a demonstration right now. So here you have a graph as well for the total orders and the rest of the ones like pending processing states of the orders. Here we have the top selling product and the rest of the total number of products that this particular vendor has within the marketplace itself. The top billing countries from where the orders have been placed, and the recent order list is also visible, as you can see. Apart from that, you can see that this particular vendor also has the options to add the products, check the orders, transactions, shipping, can configure a seller profile, can check the notifications, can see the different customers who are his shop followers, can ask anything to the admin from this particular section. So here if I go to the product section for the marketplace window, you'll be able to see the complete list of products that this particular vendor has, and this is how it gets displayed within the Velicity theme. The vendor can search for the products from here. He can delete any one of them by choosing the products and tapping the delete button. To add a new one, just tap here in the add product button, and that brings up the section where the vendor can choose the categories, the product type, can then tap here in the next button to add the products, as you can see, and the rest of the details are same that are there in the workflow itself. Then we have the order history section wherein the vendors can check the complete details of the orders that have been placed for their products. So to check an order, just tap here in the view button. You'll get the details along with the shipping, payment method, the admin's commission, and the total value here. And there are customer details as well, as you can see, along with the billing address of the customer, the shipping address. And from here, the vendor can change the order status of that of the particular order that has been placed by his customers. Under the transaction section, here you can see these are the transactions that have been made by the admin to the marketplace vendor, and here you can see the transaction ID along with the information like how the transaction was done. It was manual, the method that was used for the same, that is also visible here. Now coming to the shipping section, here you can see that the vendors can add a new shipping zone, can set up the shipping methods as well, can edit, can delete any one of them. On the seller profile page, you can set up your first name, your last name. If you want to see or you want to change your phone number, you can set that up as well, your address, your city, zip code. You can also upload your image as well, and then it would be visible here as well as on your profile page as well. Here's the banner that is visible on the seller's profile page. You can set that up. You can set up your social profile links that would be visible to the customers on your profile page. To check your profile page, just tap here on the view profile button, and here's the store name, the rating. We haven't edited any image, so it's blank. The email address, the location, and here we have the links or the social links for the vendor, so you can add his own links. Here we have the recent products from the vendor, about the store himself, the reviews that have been put up, by the customers. To check the collection of this particular vendor, you can just tap here on the view collections button, and that will bring up the complete list of the vendors products. And now if I go to the top right hand corner, you can see the seller name John, and here we have the complete marketplace section. So we're on the seller profile. Under the notifications, the vendors can check the latest notifications regarding to the orders, products, or the seller himself. Like if you have edited your product or something like that, the notifications regarding your products, your orders. Now after that, you have the shop followers. So if any of the marketplace or customers are following you, then you'll be able to find a complete list of the same here. And to ask any questions to your admin or the marketplace admin, you can tap here in the ask to admin option. You can set up your subject. You'll enter the message, and then you can tap here in the ask button. So whatever you have sent out to the admin, that would then be displayed here along with the date, subject, and the message, as you can see from here under this particular section. And to log out of your marketplace account panel as a vendor, you can just tap here on the log out option, or you can also log out from your account by just tapping in the log out link, and you'll be logged out of the account there. So that's how the Velocity theme is surely having a great UI there and helping the customers to search for the products. Very elegant, what we say as the interface. And here we have the complete list of categories within the store. Choose anyone, search for the products by entering their name and tapping here on the search button. And according to that, the results are being populated for the customers to check, and then they can easily make a quick view as well of the products by tapping on the quick view, and they can check the details of the product from here, can update the value of the or the quantity of the product that they want to purchase, can add the products to the cart from the quick view as well, and this would then get added to their what we say as the cart, and thereafter they can check the cart or can make a checkout thereafter very easily. So this is the main homepage of the Velocity theme itself, and here at the top you can see that we also have, apart from the shop page, we also have the blog section wherein you can set up your blog. So if I tap here on the blog section, you can search for the blogs, you can find the category of the blogs, you can check the different blogs that have been already posted by this marketplace, and can check the details of the posts as well from navigating to this particular section. And tapping here in the About Us page would show you the details of the marketplace itself along with their social network links, as you can see here. And to subscribe, you can enter your email here and tap on the subscribe button. You can also navigate to the blog section by tapping here on the blog link within the footer section. So that was much about the Velocity theme itself. And here I just wanted to show you that it's very responsive within the browser itself. So if I maximize, you can see everything fits out perfectly back into the browser. And if I now make a certain change here, as you can see, so automatically the theme has responded well, and accordingly the data is now being shown to the customer according to the size of the window there. And now you can see that we have this option to check the guest and the rest of the categories here within the same. So if I go to the albums and then collections, type 1, more singles, you'll see according to the size of my browser, the theme automatically gets itself into the same. So now if I just maximize it, you can see that now it's visible in a normal format. If I make it small or more smaller than that as well, it automatically fits into the screen there without any issues for the responsiveness. So that was much about the plugin itself, and thanks for checking it out. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com. You can raise a ticket at webkul.uedesk.com. You can contact us through www.webkul.com/contacts, And if you find this particular Velocity theme helpful, then do give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.